I mentioned about Cape Town, especially, it's because of one very particular reason for you to consider this affiliate, right? I'm an affiliate of this brand from United States since 2015, okay? And they have their sales office worldwide, and in South Africa is one of them, and they are located in Cape Town. So they have logistics, warehouse, sales office, HR, finance, and all that, right? Okay, they are also based and operate in South Africa some years now. Okay, I will not mention the brand here, so but at least to let you know that these are credible brand that if you accept selling other people's products, right? This can be a very good brand to partner with because of their proven track record. Not only about the brand, the history of the brand, and plus the consumer base, they go as far as being capable of attracting famous people to be their customers, yes, around the world, okay? Not just one. And personally, I am a friend, right, with a famous person from Taiwan, right? So I can verify that famous people willing to buy such kind of products from this brand to be their customer, right? Okay. So this is why I mentioned that, all right? And it is something that you are able to see, you are able to touch, right? Unlike for example, if you are from South Africa, we all know all these case on official AliExpress, which I can teach you here in my live stream. There's no problem with that. Okay, it's just another choice. However, if you accept selling other people's product, right? This is why I would recommend it because I partner it about 10 years already since 2015. And for official AliExpress, I am their affiliate marketer as well. However, not as long as with this US brand. And they are dealing with only beauty and health. Okay. And they have very advanced technology to develop their products. I give you example. Yeah. This is a third generation of the product. It has been around for more than 10 years. Yeah. Okay. About 10 years, I think. Oh, yeah, correct. Should be about 10 years. But this is the third generation. Okay. This is not an AI powered one. Okay. There are AI powered ones as well. The product. And you don't see this device like that. They have famous people that they are the customer of buying this product and use. It's a kind of like a spa product. Okay. And of course, if you want to learn more the details of all this, right, then we do it in a private setting, not in the live stream. Okay, not in the live stream, right? Because of perhaps there may be violation for me to promote the products just like that because I did not indicate in my setting in the TikTok live stream, right, that I am going to sell products because I indicate that it's more about my education in my live stream, right? Oh, okay. So that one is a beauty products user Mavis. They are ranked number 1 in beauty system. Okay, beauty system. They are ranked number 1 consecutively for 6 years already. World number 1. You see, so now from you have not seen this kind of beauty device, right? I give you this example to let you understand why marketing is so important, right? You see, it has been around in the world and for consecutive quite a number of years, 6 years already, world number 1 beauty system. Yet, there you are. You guys never seen it before. Never